He should have been given an opportunity to participate in the written test.
But my lord, he is 55, almost he is 54 years of age.
In deputation, there is an age bar.
There was a
Promotion?
departmental promotion committee which rejected the promotion of the petitioner appellant, my lord. There was a,
in this selection process.
my lord, this is prior to, it was in the year of
No, Mr.
2020.
Basu, if this page 40 circular says
Well, I
that the amendment has to be prospective in
No,
nature,
no,
you are taking away a right from the person. No?
The written
Where is the decision of conversion from deputation to as
Well,
there was no?
my lord, there was no eligible candidate for promotion, my lord. There was no eligible candidate for deputation, my lord. And my lord, there was no, because the
Acha, there was no eligible candidate for promotion as well as deputation.
my lord,
How many vacancies were there for deputation? One.
one, my lord, one
Promotion? Promotion also one.
One, my lord. And my lord, that is not here. That is according to the decision of the screening committee, my lord.
So where is that screening committee? You have passed an order saying that we cannot consider you for deputation since you are not fulfilling the requisite experience
My lord.
of 8 years qualifying, sir. There was no deputation candidate. He was only one person. He was not fulfilling 8 years. So you went for
My
director.
lord. Deputation, my lord, there were other candidates also, my lord.
There were other candidates also. So nobody qualified, nobody fulfilled.
Nobody qualified.
So if there is only one post, then had they fulfilled
Qualified?
8 years, then they would have been called for written test.
My lord.
This is your argument.
My lord. My lord.
You cannot proceed both way, Mr. Bhattacharya. You are saying that you are getting the benefit of this, that it has to be prospective.
My lord. Because my
Yes, Mr. Basu.
my lord,
That clause ought to have been. He should have been given an opportunity to participate in the written test.
but my lord, he is above 35 years of age.
Pardon?
He is 55, almost he is 54 years of age.
In deputation, there is an age bar.
No, in deputation there is no age bar, but in case of direct recruitment there is an age bar.
No, that we are
And
with
that
you.
post has been filled up by direct recruitment. My lord.
No, we are with you.
My lord, and
Deputation, Mr. Basu.
right, my lord, I understand, my lord. But in deputation, my lord, in promotion, my lord, his promotion has not been considered in 2020, my lord. There was a
Promotion?
departmental promotion committee which rejected the promotion of the petitioner appellant, my lord. There was a,
in this selection process.
my lord, this is prior to, it was in the year of
No, Mr.
2020.
Basu, if this page 40 circular says
My lord, I
that the amendment has to be prospective in
Ma-
nature,
ma-
you are taking away a right from the person. No? This Mr. Basu ought to have been. Now he is helpless. You have already completed the written deputation. There was written test.
Written test would have required, my lord. I don't know.
Deputation any written test required?
No.
my lord.
Written test is required. তা পার্টিসিপেট করতে দিলে কি অসুবিধা হতো? Then you could have fought out. Suppose if he had got, say, the person who is going for deputation, suppose how many candidates were there for deputation, Mr. Basu?
Mr. No candidate for deputation.
Oh, there was no candidate for deputation.
That is why, my lord, the direct recruitment process was.
Oh,
taken
you
up.
have converted that post for
My lord, my lord. That is why the direct recruitment process was taken up, my lord. My lord, may I hand over, my lord, the written.
Where is the decision of conversion from deputation to as
My lord,
there was no?
My lord, there was no eligible candidate for promotion, my lord. There was no eligible candidate for deputation, my lord. And my lord, there was no, because the
Acha, there was no eligible candidate for promotion as well as deputation.
my lord,
How many vacancies were there for deputation? One.
one, my lord, one
Promotion? Promotion also one.
one, my lord.
So, and direct how many was one?
Direct, my lord, only one, my lord.
Total
According to employment notification, only one, my lord.
Only one.
Only one, my lord.
So, for promotion and deputation, there were no.
Because his
So
consideration for
when did you take this decision to bring the vacancy? You have converted those vacancies into direct.
My lord, that is in the employment.
So so for deputation there is no requirement of written test. Deputation, but no, there was no application for deputation.
No, my lord.
There was no candidate. So that post is still there with you. Yes or
That is
no?
why, my lord, the direct recruitment.
Promotion?
The post is lying vacant, my lord, since 2019, my lord. The posting lying vacant, my lord. That is why, my lord, since there was no eligible candidate for promotion and from deputation, my lord, the direct recruitment process was taken up, my lord.
No,
Since
this
2019,
employment
my lord.
notification of 10th of July 2024, page 31,
My lord, I understand, my lord.
for the post of
I-
lecturer.
Lecturer orthotics, my lord.
Where is that provision? That direct
That is
promotion
not-
deputation?
My lord, that is not here.
My lord, direct, my lord, that is a recruitment rules, my lord, you are also.
Page 31,
Page 31 is advertisement, my lord.
advertisement for direct.
For direct or deputation, my lord. By direct, my below that, my lord, by direct or deputation.
No, you said na that in the if there is no
My
promotional
lord, that
post,
is, my lord, that is, my lord, the
then
recruitment.
it will be direct.
My lord, that is, believe me, my lord, the recruitment rules, page 34, my lord. Page 34, column 10, my lord. By promotion, failing which by direct recruitment, stroke deputation.
34.
34, my lord, column 10, my lord. That was also the position in, my lord, the earlier recruitment rules.
Then in for deputation as well as for direct, there is a written examination.
My lord.
And after written examination, when was the written examination held?
May I,
23rd.
my lord, may I use
23rd,
the
my
written
lord.
instruction, my lord? May I hand
On
over the
20
written
Yes, yes,
On
please.
23rd, my lord, written examination was held. 24, my lord, interview was held, my lord. And my lord, 28th, my lord, this letter.
24th,
24th, my lord, the viva was held,
Viva was 24th.
my lord. Written on 23rd, viva on 24th, and my lord, this, my lord, result was published on 28th, my lord.
28th.
Result was published.
Where is the order rejecting your promotion?
My lord, that is a page, my lord, 41, my lord. 41, my lord.
Where is annexure 3?
Let's see.
Page 12.
Page 12, my lord. Post.
What is your name?
অরাত্তরণ পাত্র।
Where do we find that there was only one post? There was only one post. Where do we find?
Employment.
My lord, in the employment notification, my lord. Page 31.
So there was one post to be filled up by direct or by deputation.
My lord.
In respect of deputation, he has to undergo a written examination. Where do we find that? Saying
Page 32. Page 32. Written test 80% marks. Desirable qualification 10%. Desirable page 32. Para 6.
para
6.
But that is for group B and group C.
deputation in deputation. Deputation is like you have to take qualifying service.
My lord.
So promotion also you will have to take.
No, that is not here, my lord. I understand, my lord. That is not here. That is according to the decision of the screening committee, my lord.
So where is that screening committee? You have passed an order saying that we cannot consider you for deputation since you are not fulfilling the requisite experience
My lord.
of 8 years qualifying service. So this decision, there was no deputation candidate. He was only one person. He was not fulfilling 8 years. So you went for direct.
My lord. If I but in the selection of for deputation, my lord, there were other candidates also, my lord.
There were other candidates also. So nobody qualified, nobody fulfilled.
Nobody qualified.
So if there is only one post, then had they fulfilled
Qualified?
8 years, then they would have been called for written test.
My lord.
This is your argument.
My lord. I'm grateful, my lord.
Ironically, my lord, today, my lord, my 8 years would be completed, my lord.
You cannot proceed both way, Mr. Bhattacharya. You are saying that you are getting the benefit of this, that it has to be prospective.
My lord, because my lord,
If it is to be prospective, then your 5 years will suck. Then you on the
5 years will
basis of
suffice, my lord. Because my lord, as I understand, my lord, only the results have been published, my lord.
very good. Now, what interim order you are wanting?
My lord, if this appointment should be stayed, my lord, and if my lord,
Appointment cannot be stayed because you
My
did
lord,
not
because
get that ordered in the. You did not get that ordered in respect of promotion also.
My lord, because my lord, that in that.
That cannot be stayed. It will
because, my lord,
abide by,
because-
as you got in promotion.
Because my lord,
My lord,
in
you
that
also made a
because in that writ petition also, my lord, that writ petition, my lord, the 22, my lord, office memorandum was not before the writ court, my lord.
That is for you to challenge in appeal. You didn't left it to be